In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Klarna card on Apple Pay so you can make fast, secure payments both online and in stores. First, open the Klarna app on your smartphone and log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your Klarna cards and payment options are managed. Before you can add the card to Apple Pay, you first need to create a Klarna card. To do this, tap on the Klarna card option and select the store or the purpose for which you want to use this card. Klarna supports a wide range of eligible stores, so make sure you pick the correct one for your intended purchases. After selecting the store, you'll see an option that says Install as your payment method. Tap on that, and then choose Create One-Time Card. Here, you will enter the amount you want to use for this card as your spending limit or budget. This step ensures that your purchases stay within your planned spending. Once you've entered the amount, click on Agree and Create Card. Klarna will then generate your card instantly, providing you with the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. On the next screen, you'll have the option to add this card directly to Apple Pay. Simply tap Add to Apple Pay, and the card will be integrated into your Apple Wallet immediately. From this point, you can use your Klarna card with Apple Pay at any location or online store that accepts Apple Pay payments. If for some reason you don't see the Apple Pay option in the Klarna app, there's an alternative method. Open your Apple Wallet, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, and select Debit or Credit Card. Then, manually enter the Klarna card details that were generated, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once you've entered the information and confirmed it, your Klarna card will be successfully added to Apple Pay and ready for use.